Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I have a cleaning and organizing video for you. I'm just gonna organize my fridge and my cupboards. I have a few items that I got from HomeGoods and Marshalls. It cost about $106 and I got 17 items. So let's get started organizing this kitchen.
Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. These containers, the stickers on them were a pain in the butt to get off. It looks like it was very easy on here, but they were a pain in the butt to get off. Well, not these ones, but the little ones. I had to use Gooby Gone, but I didn't put any of that in there because this video was already like an hour and a half long and I had to edit it down to 16 minutes. You're welcome. So all I'm gonna do now is clean these and start taking everything out of the refrigerator and wiping that down and getting ready to organize.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop?
You guys, this black one that I bought that I just washed and put on the table, that thing like broke so easily, like the bottom part. So I'm gonna take that back. You'll still see me use it, but if you see that at HomeGoods, do not, or Marshalls, whatever, don't get it. So I have so much stuff in this fridge. I really gotta declutter it, and so that's what I'm gonna do here. So you see all my stuff all unorganized, and I fought organizing this refrigerator forever, and I was so shocked that everything I bought to organize it worked, and I'm really happy with it. It's nice getting everything out of the refrigerator now.
Oh, Emily. A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done.
You guys, trying to find a good angle to record this video. The fridge kept hitting the wall and trying to, you know, adjust the camera. Look how perfect they fit. I was so happy. I was so afraid when I looked at them and I looked at the drawer. I was like, there's no way they're gonna fit. I'm so happy they fit nicely. Every one of them. I was like, I got really lucky because I just kind of did it on a whim because I wanted to organize my fridge. So it all worked out.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free. I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Do you think I have enough condiments? There's 4 people in this house and we all like something different. We're complete opposite attract of each other. We just love flavor, and we cook and more than we go out to eat, so we have a lot of condiments. And I love these spinny things. I got these from the Target Dollar Spot, and I just love them. They're like a game changer in the refrigerator. I highly suggest anyone get them.
I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
So I'm going to put some labels on these containers. I just didn't feel like doing it today. So eventually I will put labels on these and make them look all cute.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama
say thank you so much for watching this organization video, and I hope you come back soon. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Close